to my channel What's on Ara's Plate. In today's video I will be sharing with you Kasoori Malai Murg. This recipe is a Mughlai chicken recipe which is prepared with rich and creamy gravy. You can enjoy this recipe with chapati, naan, paratha or even rice, but I would highly suggest you to eat with any kind of naan. If you really enjoy this recipe, please hit the like button and subscribe if you are new to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification about my new upload. Thank you so much for watching and I shall see you in my next one. Till then, watch it, make it and share it. Let's start with the cooking.